In this video, I am going to discuss about some best concept and best lines from the book Ikigai by Hector Garcia and Francis Miralles. The main concept of this book is Ikigai, which means a reason for being. The authors investigate how this approach promotes lifespan and happiness, notably in Okinawa, an area recognized for its large population of centenarians. The book draws on conversation with these centenarians, combining their wisdom with scientific studies on health and happiness to improve practical guidance for living a fulfilling life. The genre of this book is basically self-help and personal development. Now I want to share with you some interesting concepts discussed in this book. The 5 blue zones in Ikigai are Okinawa from Japan, Sardinia from Italy, Nicoya from Costa Rica, Ikaria from Greece, and Loma Linda from California, USA, known for its high longevity and wellness. Hara Hachi Bu is an Okinawan practice of eating until 80% full, promoting moderation and contributing to longevity and health, as discussed in this book. The third concept discussed in this book is logotherapy by Viktor Frankl. The power of flow concept from the book Flow, The Psychology of Optimal Experience by Mihai Csikszentmihalyi, and words of wisdoms from the longest living people in the world. The best lines. The secret to a long life is not to worry and to keep your heart young. Don't let it grow old. Open your heart to people with a nice smile on your face. If you smile and open your heart, your grandchildren and everyone else will want to see you. I plant my vegetable and cook them myself. This is my Ikigai. Eating vegetable, it helps you live longer. Laugh. Laughter is the most important thing. I laugh wherever I go. Hara Hachi Bu. When you notice you are almost full but could have a little more, just stop eating. The only moment in which you can be truly alive is the present moment. A complementary Japanese concept is that of Ichigo Ichi, which could be translated as this moment exists only now and would not come again. Wabi-sabi teaches us to appreciate the beauty of imperfection as an opportunity for growth. Happiness is always determined by your heart. I want to highly recommend you to read this book. Please share your thoughts on the book and leave a comment below. Thank you.